Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you a tutorial on Luma AI on iPhone. So currently we're on the dashboard for the Luma AI app, and at the bottom you can see home, the plus icon, and profile. Now when you click on your profile, it's going to take you to a page where you can see your name and your picture if you want to put it there, and at the top left corner you have the settings gear icon where you can see some more information such as how you can follow Luma AI on socials. And at the top right corner, you have the icon there where when you tap on it, you can click the delete icon. Of course, there isn't anything currently here. So we're going to go home. And right here in home, when you scroll down, you can see wonderful scenes that have been created by other users. Now, the three different options you can have here on Luma AI. Here you have the Dream Machine where you can turn your text to images or text to videos. When we slide to the left, you also have the opportunity to create 3D assets in seconds using text. And we'll be getting into that in a moment. And here, interactive scenes. You can capture with Luma and make a 3D rendering of your surroundings. For example, we have some options here. And when we tap on it, you can see amazing 3D rendering of this building. And it's just fabulous. So you can pan out, you can zoom in to have a better view of what you're looking at. Now it's important to note that this can be done with the iPhone 11 and newer versions. And so you can go ahead and explore other options here. Now we're going to go over to the Imagine with Genie and click on Create. And here we're going to just imagine anything. As you can see, there are examples here which we could look at and have fun with, and we're going to create our own in a second. So we have a red velvet cake, and we're going to tap on the generate icon here just by the right of the input field. And this looks amazing. As you can see, it's currently done, and we have some options here. You can tap on any of them to have a closer look and get to see different angles of your creation. So this is a red velvet cake, and the result is pretty impressive. Now, down here at the bottom, you have some options. You can make this into high resolution by tapping on it. As you can see, it's already generating a high resolution version, currently at 0%, waiting to get to 100. Then here you have some other options to download it, to share it, and if you tap on the three dots here, you could decide to repeat this process and make some variations, and you could dislike or like what we have. So I like this, so I'm just going to tap on like, and there you have it. And at the top right corner, you're going to see your other creations. Here you can see other creations that have been made, and then you have the red velvet cake, which we just designed. And when you go back, of course, you can create another if you wish. Now, if you want some inspiration, you have this option here, tap for inspiration. So we're just going to tap it. And you can see here a hamburger, photorealistic, high quality photo textures. Of course, you could decide to use this prompt, but we've just done our own already. You could go through all of these, of course, to have a view. And when you tap on it, it's going to give you an idea of what you could put in the text prompt to get what you want. Now, when we go back to our home screen, we can see where we started. And you can go ahead and try the Dream Machine where you can put your text and it gives you images and videos as you wish. So with the Dream Machine option, the Imagine with Genie, and interactive scenes, you can create your content using Luma AI.